Good morning everyone. I'm here today to introduce our company, Colorobbia Consulting. This is an Italian company located in Tuscany. And I'm glad to introduce our multi-patented technology called Phoebe for indoor air purification. We are excited, of course, to highlight our innovative solution to improve the health and well-being of people in indoor spaces. Our journey begins with the development of a multi-patented titanium dioxide material that reacts to visible light, such as normal LED lighting, benefiting low energy consumption to respect the ambient, to accelerate a process called photocatalysis, which produces reactive oxygen species, a natural oxidation process. Airborne pollutants such as viruses, bacteria, bacteriophages, VOCs, mold, and other organic or inorganic pollutants that have contact with surfaces treated with titanium dioxide, the catalyst, are transformed into harmless water and carbon dioxide particles. That chemical process ensures that pollutants do not accumulate on filters, potentially becoming breeding grounds for harmful microbial growth. What is meant by indoor environment? What are the indoor pollutants and why they have attracted increasing attention in both the scientific and healthcare worlds? Indoor spaces may be categorized as houses, public and private offices, community facilities, premises intended for recreational and/or social activities, public or private means of transport. Substances that can alter indoor and air quality are classified as chemical, physical, and biological agents. They can party from outside air pollution, but many are produced by indoor sources. Let's talk briefly about chemicals. WHO guidelines set limits for certain indoor pollutants for which scientific knowledge of harmful effects on humans have been found to be sufficiently acceptable. Among them, substances considered are nitrogen dioxide, NO2, volatile organic compounds, VOC, formaldehyde, CH2O, and carbon monoxide, CO. A brief note on biologicals. Bacteria, viruses, pollen, fungi and mold, mice, pet allergens. Main sources: humans, animals, plants, dust. Excellent receptacle for microorganisms from facilities and services of the buildings. To these sources are added humidifiers and air conditioners, where the presence of elevated humidity and inadequate maintenance facilitate the establishment of multiplication of biological contaminants that are then spread to the various environments. Although not the subject of the presentation, the physical pollutants responsible for poor indoor environment quality are electromagnetic fields and noise. The main factor that has led to increased exposure to indoor pollution in the last 50 years is undoubtedly the migration of population to cities and the consequent type of urbanization and construction that has been pursued. Studies show that in density populated areas and/or for climatic reasons, populations spend a very significant proportion of their time, up to 90%, in confined environments. For some types of people, as children, the elderly, and the sick, the percentage of time spent indoors is even higher. It has also been documented the progressive increase of pollutant substances, both in the quality and quantity of indoor air. High polluted areas and global energy resources have imposed the need to seal indoor spaces and curb air conditioning energy consumption, cooling, heating, replacing natural modes of ventilation and light with artificial means. Without dwelling on the data provided by WHO on the consequences deriving from indoor pollution, 9 million premature deaths per year, and a cost in terms of 225 billion US dollar caused by pollution in the world, 99% of the world population exposed to unhealthy air. It should be considered that even at low concentration, the presence of contaminants in confined spaces that can have a significant impact on the health and well-being of the occupants due to the long-term exposure. So even the low concentration is an healthy risk for humans. The risk, in fact, rather than the concentration of pollutants, is linked to exposure, or rather to the concentration integrated over time. Clean air is essential for health and well-being living. Our Phoebe technology provides a sustainable and long-term solution for air purification. This technology is versatile and applicable both in the DV1 modular system, as you can see here, suitable for the air handling units, no relevant pressure drop. And the AV series as OEM for standalone devices. Additionally, Colorobia Consulting offers custom engineering services tailored to the customer-specific dimensional and geometric requirements. Our DV series filter application meets the criteria of cost effectiveness, both in the purchase and maintenance phases, as the DV filters may be installed directly on any air handling unit. Many tests conducted by specialized labs provide and proved Phoebe effectiveness and efficiency to remove air contamination. All in all, these tests scientifically measure the decrease in concentrations of viruses, bacteriophages, bacteria, VOC, as just seen out of about 400 different substances. 5 representative molecules were chosen for their functional groups and for their possible presence as indoor contaminants. In particular, an ester, ethyl acetate, and enaldehyde, formaldehyde, CH2O, a cyclic hydrocarbon, limonene, and aromatic hydrocarbon, toluene, alcohol, isopropanol, and carbon monoxide, CO, NOx, fungi, and other pathogens in the air. Furthermore, Phoebe technology provides a cost-effective, sustainable, and long-term solution for air purification. We are excited to share our technology with you and to answer any question you may have about Phoebe and our air purification solutions. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to meeting with you all in person in our booth. Thank you.